I'd like to see you try.
What's up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got us a nice little haul. We have 3 Auto Worlds and 2 M2 machines to crack open, and I'm super amped, so let's go ahead and jump right into the video. We're gonna start with this guy right here. We got us a 56 Ford F100 truck from M2 Machines. It looks like it's Hayes clutch and flywheels themed. Pretty neat. I found this one at my local Hobby Lobby. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and crack this open and let's get started. There we go. A neat little truck right there. Pretty cool. I know it's black, so it's kind of hard to see, but you get the gist. It's little Cragger rims. Pretty small wheels and tires, but looks pretty good. I did bring my screwdriver, so give me a sec. I'll be right back. And here it is without the plastic base. And boy, this truck sure looks nice. Got lensed headlights, chrome bumper and grille, roll down windows, black interior, nice trim, chrome trimmer on the windows. There's the Hayes tampos. Those Craggers I mentioned earlier with the rubber tires, of course. Now that's a plastic base, which is probably why it was a bit cheaper. Only $8 for this one. Nice details on the back, lens tails, painted on Ford, and a chrome bumper. Very nice. I don't think anything opens on this one. Nope, all casted shut. It's all good though. It's a very nice little collectible, and it rolls fairly well. M2, it's not the best rollers in my opinion, but they get the job done. See them wobbling a little bit, but it's all good. Very nice truck, and I'm happy to have it. Next one up is another M2. This time we got us a Pontiac 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400 high output. Really nice looking. Very cool. Let's look at the back of this one too, just for fun, and not much going on there, to be honest. Let's go ahead and crack this one open. Let's set it free. Alright, well, here it is on the plastic. Oh, that's so cool. Look at all the shiny metallic flake. Very, very cool. Let me remove it from the base and I'll be right back. And here it is. Off of the base and looking great. More Cragger type rims in my opinion. Big fatty slicks on the back and skinnies on the front. Again, it's plastic base. Nice chrome trimmer on the windows once again, black interior. There's our tail light details, which look pretty nice. Front looks good, and of course I got that big old blower, which I love. I really want a 3rd gen Camaro with a blower sticking out the hood like that. I don't think this opens. I think it's just a separate piece, which is totally cool though, because you can see all the details you want to see. Look, it even has the belt painted, which looks nice. Yeah, this is a cool one for sure. Dig this one. It was a little better. Yeah, that was pretty good. All right, very nice. Okay, those are really cool. Next, let's move to the Auto World. First one up, we got us one of my favorite cars, the 2019 Camaro Zl1. There's the card. They made about 15,390 of these. And this one is just straight up black. That's exactly how I want mine. I want mine to be black with black wheels. And it will be once I get it someday. I think it'd be cool to have them themed. I want like a 1st gen, a 2nd gen, and a 3rd gen, all black on black. And here it is. What a beauty. This one much heavier than the 2 M2s we just looked at. Look at that. That massive grill to let lots and lots of air in. Very nice looking headlights. Bow tie looks good. Wow, this casting is sick. Very nice. Factory wing looks great. Taillights look good. Oh, let me move this light a little bit. I think I'm catching some glare. That says 650 horsepower on the license plate. Wow, that's awesome. So sick. Nice metal base. Beautiful car. I believe the hood opens, but Camaros are always hard to get the... Oh, a little paint defect right there. Oh, such a shame. Oh, that really sucks. Oh well. Makes me not so nervous about opening the hood now. There we go. There's the hood popped. There's the engine. It's mostly black, so well, it's all black. So not much to see there. But still cool that the hood opens. Awesome car in real life and a great casting. Nice heavy vehicle, rolls smooth. Okay, next one up, we got us a square body. You cannot have an Auto World opening video, a cracking video, without some square bodies. I made 7,000 of these bad boys, which I actually think is kind of cool, you know? People love square bodies, let them have the square bodies, you know? There's a bunch of limited edition ones that are harder to get with different paint schemes, tampos, etc. So, you know, let the masses have these cool square bodies with authentic looking paint. Speaking of paint, this one also has a little tiny defect right there. It's alright though. It's pretty minor. Paint job, other than that, is really nice. Very realistic. Got little skinny white walls. And this is my favorite kind of square body, with the stacked square headlights. These ones are great. This generation is just phenomenal. We've all seen these ones. We know the tailgate drops down. We know the details are good. And we all know it's going to have an orange engine. Oh, wow, you guys just witnessed me being super wrong. It's got an all black engine this time. Usually they have like an orange engine, but I stand corrected. It still looks great though. Nice beige interior with black accents. Yeah, that's a great truck. Very cool. Love it. All right, last one up is its counterpart. We got us another square body. 85 Chevy Silverado, but it also will have the stacked square headlights. And there it is. Very good looking. Look at that metallic navy blue. Almost looks like my Acura. You know, paint color wise anyway. Got a white top, blue interior. Uh-oh, looks like this one's been in a little Fender Bender. Oh wait, oh, whoa. Wow, that's the first time that's ever happened to me. I never had an Auto World mess up this bad. Look, look, the bumper's messed up, but you can wiggle it around a lot. And the tailgate fell off. Oops. I guess it helps if I put it right side up, huh? Okay. Okay, so the two were probably intertwined. There we go. So, looks like we fixed it pretty much. Should probably put a little dab of glue on the bumper. Yeah, that thing does not want to stay up. It's okay though. Awesome looking rims. Those are actually white, if you can tell, with silver accents. Very nice. And again with the black engine. Not bad, even with its little flaws. I mean, we fixed it pretty much, so no big deal. Beautiful, beautiful trucks. Beautiful cars, and I could not be happier. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Thursday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos once or twice a week, more or less. And if you are into collecting little cars and trucks like I am, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. And I'll catch you dudes next time.